All right, so let's read these words right here, these three first.
Cake, take, bake.
What do you notice about those words?
They all have a silent E and they have A, K, E at the end.
Yep, they all have silent E and they have AKE. What does the silent E mean?
Silent E does you can't hear it, and it means that a vowel is one space apart from it. It could make it say its name.
Oh, it makes the other vowel say its name. So that's why in cake it says cake, A. You hear the A. Very good. So down here we have two more words. Can you read those to me?
Placing and making.
Placing and making. All right. So let's read our passage here and see if we notice any of those words or any other words that are interesting while we read. Can you go ahead and start with the title?
The bakery.
Okay, go ahead and read.
Jill and her father went to the bakery for breakfast. Jill could see the baker placing trays in the large oven. The baker asked if Jill if she would like to get a tour of the kitchen. Jill smiled and said yes.
Do you know what the word tour means here?
Uh-huh.
What does it mean?
Show around the place.
Yeah, show her around the place. That's a really good explanation for that word. Okay, go ahead and start reading there.
As you listen, the shiny switch on the giant mixing machine caught her eye. She reached out her hand and flipped the switch. Whirl went the machine. The baker Jill and her dad jumped back. Chocolate cake batter sprayed around the room and all over Jill. Suddenly, the baker started to laugh. Then Jill's dad started to laugh. Jill
Let's see, Jill. Let's read just that first part. Still, good.
Felt very
Let's take off the ending of the word and just read this.
badly.
Badly, very good.
But she began to giggle too. Jill's dad sat and had a cup of coffee while Jill cleaned up the chocolate cake batter. She looked in the box to see a huge piece of chocolate cake. Jill smiled.
Good job, Luke. So I have a question for you. Up here I noticed it said that the shiny switch on the giant machines caught her eye. What does that mean, caught her eye?
She saw it and she was like, I want to get that. I want to push that button.
It drew her attention? Yeah. So why do you think Jill wanted to cry when it all happened?
Because she thought she was going to get in like really bad trouble.
So if you were Jill, how would you have felt after you had done that?
Like, I don't know.
If you hit that switch and then saw what you had done and saw the cake batter all over the cake shop.
I like laugh like for like say like 20 seconds, like, oh ha ha, you got a cake batter on your shirt, ha ha, you got two.
And then
I'd be like, oh no, what have I done?
All right, good job, Lucas.